Right now I have to get my gear and go somewhere inside there, so let's hope we can find the place. Okay, so we finished setting up the cameras and now I'm heading out to go eat something because it's very cold, I'm very hungry, it's been so many hours since my last meal, and yeah, now I have to deal with the Bucharest traffic because it's horrible, it's way worse than Cluj.
Organization, enterprise.
Facem întunecă camera și niciodată. Finally, another day is finished. I know you can barely see me, probably barely can hear me as well. So today was a pretty good day. It was pretty short, like around 9 hours of actual conferences, and it was pretty interesting. A lot of tech stuff and a lot of cybersecurity. It was pretty interesting, a pretty interesting conference. Got one more day tomorrow for this event, and they've booked me to stay in Bucharest for another 2 or 3 days for another shoot, so that will be also pretty interesting. So let's see what that's all about. This is the last day of GoTech, so the last day of conferences. It's gonna be pretty interesting. Hopefully it will end shortly, because yeah, today there are more conferences than yesterday, and then I maybe can finally find some time to sleep, because it's been horrible. The traffic is horrible here and it takes so much time to get anywhere. So yeah, let's see how today goes. 8 a.m. and I'm on my way to the hospital because apparently there's something to film there. We're gonna film a surgery. I am very nervous about it. I've never filmed an actual surgery. I filmed eye surgeries before, but it's nothing compared to what we're gonna film today. I'm not sure how much content I can film in there because yeah, it's gonna be pretty tight and pretty hard to actually do, but it will be interesting. So yeah, until then I'm stuck in traffic. There's literally nowhere to go. I'm gonna make 6 kilometers in 30 minutes almost. Hold up, peace off. So yeah, it's gonna be an interesting small little project. So basically the guys that hired me to come to Bucharest said, hey, why aren't you staying until Saturday or Sunday, because there's more stuff to film besides the conferences. And I said sure, because yeah, why not? So yeah, we're finally moving, let's go! Filming the doctors and the surgeries. I kind of got sick and I had to step down because I don't know, it was weird. It's a very weird procedure. So I just filmed the teaser for the hospital and for their event that they're holding. It's like an educative event right now, I'm not sure. So it was pretty cool. Oh, I gotta go. Ah. As I was saying, we are now heading towards the next stop. We gotta take some interviews at the medicine faculty and see what's going on over there, because it's very rainy and they want also exterior shots, so it's gonna be pretty interesting. For today, with all the interesting interviews that we had to do, and tomorrow marks our final event basically in Bucharest. It will be another conference. It will be a 2-day conference basically. Tomorrow is Friday and I'll have Saturday as well, and then I'll rest until Sunday and then go home. So yeah, that's it for Thursday. Conferences, and right now I am literally working, scheduling some shoots for next week, and I've just found this cool place. It's in the middle of a field. I just watched the sunset, and somewhere around there is the airport, and I just keep seeing planes. There's one coming right now. Damn! Oh my god, it's a big plane. What the heck is that? It's like a military plane. That's so cool. So yeah, I'm scheduling these restaurants to shoot for next week, and it's gonna be pretty interesting. I'm gonna try to create some more content as well. So yeah, tomorrow again in the morning I have to go to the last day of the conference and film it, finish everything, stream it, whatever, pack it up, and then go back to where I'm staying, and then I'm gonna be leaving back home on Sunday. And finally this week will be over. It's been so much chaos, but it's been a very, very productive week. So yeah, let's hope we can keep it up. Știi așa aproximativ? Da, mă gândesc. It's finally Sunday. I'm heading home. I've got about 4 hours left to drive. I've woken up at about 9 a.m. But then I was already on the road. So yeah, it's been a pretty productive week. It was definitely very interesting, and trying to capture it and vlog it all the time was definitely a learning experience. It's way harder than I thought to actually create content while working, while creating other content, being split into two. So that was pretty interesting. And yeah, it's been very productive, both educatively and financially. It's been a lot of projects, and next week will be even more projects apparently. I've got another live stream set up for the end of the week. I've got a few restaurants that I have to go film. I hope I can do this weekly kind of vlog to track my progress. I'm not sure if I'll put a voiceover explaining it in the beginning of the video or not. I don't think so, because I'm too lazy, and I don't really want to spend a lot of time editing these vlogs. I just want to film them and basically set them up and upload them.